1. Onion. Some proponents of natural remedies suggest that onion extracts could have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which might theoretically help with varicose veins. 2. Cloves. Cloves contain compounds that might have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. In traditional medicine, cloves have been used for circulatory issues. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Some people use olive oil for massage to promote circulation and alleviate discomfort associated with varicose veins. Ingredients: onion, cloves, olive oil, honey. Mix all ingredients well. Apply to the affected area